Hello students, welcome back to my channel Commerce Tute, your flight to success. And yes, today we are going to solve the exercises part of it of chapter 3, secretarial practice chapter 3. ठीक है, तो हमने previous video में we have solved question number 1 है ना, few exercises. I think from A to E we have already solved it. Now today in this video we will solve from question number 1 from F to J. ठीक है, so without delaying much children, let's begin. Students, the question number 1 EF question is complete the sentences. Okay, so in between we will also try to explain also if there is any logic behind the fill in, complete the sentences or whatever, more exercises are going to come, and then we will also solve them and you can see the answers on screen, so you can also revise along with me. So let's get started. Complete the sentences. The first one is share capital refers to capital made up of equity shares and preference shares. Okay, and remember ये हमने recently when we were started with the classification of share capital, वहां पर भी हमने देखा था equity share capital ज्यादा लिया जाता है compared to preference shares, but yes, share capital is a combination of both, that is equity shares and preference shares. Reserve capital is a part of dash, that is uncalled capital. Even under classifications only it comes children, क्योंकि रिजर्व कैपिटल कंपनी अपने पास रखती है 1%, which is uncalled, which is taken during the winding up of the company. Remember? ठीक है. Third one, transfer of shares due to death, insolvency or insanity of member is called definitely transmission of shares. Okay, और ये क्वेश्चन अगर they would have given due to operation of law, तभी भी आंसर transmission of shares ही होता. ठीक है. Fourth one, the two parties involved in transfer of shares are transferor and transferee is the right answer. Voluntarily giving up of shares by a member due to inability to pay calls is called as surrender of shares. ठीक है. Then next is sixth one, that is company can forfeit only dash paid shares. Definitely it is partly paid up shares. Seventh, in case the original share certificate is torn or mutilated, company can issue duplicate share certificate. Okay, again eighth one, in case of transfer of shares, company has to issue to the transferee a new share certificate within dash, within 1 month of the date of receipt of instrument of transfer. याद रखो students, ये जो भी न्यूमेरिकल टर्म्स है, जैसे 1 month हो गया in this case और 2 months हो गया in allotment के केस में, whatsoever, you have to remember them. It is very very important, so you should remember within 1 month. ठीक. Then letter sent to applicants for informing them shares are allotted is called as obviously letter of allotment. उनको इन्फॉर्म किया जा रहा है कि आपको शेयर दिया है, तो obviously वो letter of allotment ही होगा. When applications received are more than the number of shares offered, it is called as oversubscription. जितना आपने लोगों को दिया है उससे ज्यादा अगर एप्लीकेशंस आ जाते हैं तो डेफिनेटली इट इज ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन, और जितने दिए उससे कम आ जाता है तो इट इज कॉल्ड एज अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन. ओके, बट हियर दे हैव आस्क्ड मोर number of shares, so it is definitely oversubscription. Next, in book building method, the final price at which shares are offered to investors is called as, yes, cutoff price. Then the 12th one is shares issued free of cost to existing equity shareholders is called as bonus shares. And now I think we are aware the details of bonus shares, है ना, but students? So the correct answer is bonus shares. Let us go to the G part of it. Select the correct option from the bracket. Now you all can see students here, यहाँ पर दिया है bracket में, आपको ये यहाँ लिखना है. And mostly you know students, this question from G especially, this may be asked in the 20 marks का जो internal exam जो न्यू सिलेबस में आया है, तो वो 20 मार्क्स के इंटरनल एग्जाम में आपको ये सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं मोस्टली. ठीक है, लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ public offer of shares. Definitely these are the shares offered to public. Initial, see on the right hand side, initial public offer. Answer is first time offer of shares. C, rights issue, shares offered to existing equity shareholders. Please remember. Then fourth one, ESOS, definitely shares offered to the existing employees. And E part of it, operation of law, definitely the answer is transmission of shares. ठीक है, here you, ये जो मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है, obviously students you all are aware, ये तो blank ही होगा. Okay, because you can see on the screen I have written the answers, so it becomes easy for us to revise also, taking these options into consideration. But you should understand कि ये कहाँ fit होता है, so that you know it shows your understanding of the concepts also. Let us go to the EH part of it. Answer in one sentence. Obviously, when does transmission of share takes place? Definitely transmission of share takes place due to operation of law, such as you can say when a death, insolvency, or you can also add, यहाँ पे आप add कर सकते हो insanity of a member also. Okay, insolvency or insanity of a member. Okay, so this is a very simple question. Transmission happens, obviously ये तो operation of law ही है, लेकिन कब होता है? ये तब होता है जब automatically it gets into transferred in somebody else's name due to death, insolvency or insanity of a member. ठीक है, then comes name the parties involved in the transfer of shares. Definitely transferor and transferee. What next? What is the time limit to issue share certificate on allotment of shares? यही इसी numerical figure की मैं बात कर रही थी, within 2 months from the date of allotment. What is the time limit for filing return of allotment with the registrar on allotment of shares? That is within 30 days. Students, I am giving you the answer here. For example, यहाँ पर मैंने जैसे लिखा है transmission of shares takes place, तो you should also write the parties involved in transfer of shares are transferor and transferee. ठीक है, यहाँ पर कैसे लिखोगे? The time limit to issue share certificate on allotment of shares is within 2 months from the date of allotment. तो question के साथ ही आपको वो phrase, वो sentence करना है, so that it gives you a 2-liner वाला feel, answer वाला feel. ठीक है, don't just write within 30 days, just fully आप लिखो. For example, यहाँ देखिए, what is the time limit for filing return of allotment with the registrar on allotment of share? The time limit for filing return of allotment with registrar on allotment of shares is within 30 days. This is how you are supposed to write the answer. ठीक है, then next is fifth one, that is when can a company forfeit shares? This is very important question. The company can forfeit shares if a shareholder fails to pay calls on shares within a certain period. The board of directors of if authorized by articles of association can forfeit the shares. Okay, यहाँ पर आप if लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, so here the answer is, if they fail to pay the calls on shares, then definitely the company can forfeit the shares. And who does this? It is done by the board of directors. Okay, it is done by board of directors. If authorized by the articles of association, can forfeit the shares. What is a share certificate? It's a very simple question, students. अब तो आपको इसके बारे में पूरा knowledge भी आ गया होगा, but still I'll tell you. It is a registered document issued by a company as an evidence of ownership of specified number of shares of the company. This is a very simple answer for one-liners. You can write this. Then seventh is, what is the minimum application money to be collected by company as per the Companies Act? Students, now this answer a bit tricky, but still it's very clear. The minimum application money collected by company as per the Companies Act is 5% of the nominal amount of shares or any other amount specified by SEBI, that is Securities Exchange Board of India, that is 25% of the nominal amount of shares. This is how you can write this answer. ठीक है, ये दोनों चीजें आपको याद रखनी है so that you can easily tackle these types of one-liners. With whom should the prospectus be filed before issuing it to the public? The prospectus has to be filed with the registrar of companies before it is issued to the public. ठीक है, यहां पर आप लिख सकते हो registrar of companies. Then what is meant by private placement? When securities are offered to a selected group of people is called as private placement. जहां पर minimum 200 होते हैं ना, it doesn't exceed 200, so that also you can add. To whom is sweat equity shares offered by a company? Sweat equity shares are offered to directors or employees by a company, existing directors or employees by a company. To whom can a company issue bonus shares? The company can issue bonus shares to the existing equity shareholders. ठीक है, existing वाले ही होते हैं ना जिनको ये मिलता है. यहाँ पर भी आप लिख सकते हो existing directors or employees, but directors or employees of the company. Then the 12th one is, what is the subsequent issue after IPO called as? मतलब IPO के बाद वाला जो step होता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? That is FPO, that is further public offer, or you can also say follow on public offer. ठीक है. Then name the method under which the issue price of share is fixed through bidding process. Bidding process, children, the answer is book building process. याद रखो because this is very very important and important topic as well. What is public issue then? Public issue means shares offered to public by a company through prospectus. Very very simple. Name the capital which is mentioned in the capital clause of memorandum of association. Definitely it is authorized or registered capital, and we are aware कि authorized capital को registered capital भी कहा जाता है. ठीक है. Then let us go to the I part of it. Correct the underlined words and rewrite the following sentences. आपको अंडरलाइन किया हुआ वर्ड करेक्ट करना है, उसको निकाल के फिर से सेंटेंस को रीराइट करना है. ठीक है. Issued capital is the maximum capital which a company can raise by issuing shares. No, it's not issued capital. The right answer is authorized capital. You can see here. Okay. Second, under fixed price issue method, the price of share is fixed through bidding process. Wrong. Bidding process जब आता है, it is all about book building method, children. So the right answer आपको क्या लिखना है? It is not fixed price issue method. It is book building method. Next is FPO refers to offering of shares to the public for the first time. Completely wrong. FPO is the second process, है ना? The first one is IPO, that is initial public offering. Only fully paid up shares can be forfeited. No, partly paid up shares can be forfeited. Fifth, bonus shares are offered to existing employees of the company. No, bonus shares are offered to the existing equity shareholders of the company. Next, company enters into an underwriting agreement with the shareholders. No, not with shareholders, but it is with the underwriters. Letter of allotment is sent to the applicants when no shares are allotted to them. कभी नहीं. Letter of allotment तो तभी भेजा जाता है जब आप उनको देते हो. It is letter of regret. You can see here. ठीक है. Duplicate share certificate must be issued within 1 month from the date of application. No, within 3 months from the date of application. Then comes call money cannot exceed 5% of nominal value of shares. No, it's not 5%, it is 25%. ठीक है. सो दिस इज हाउ यू आर सपोज टू राइट द स्टूडेंट्स। ये आपको अगेन मैं बोलूंगी कि ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये आपको 20 मार्क्स का जो इंटरनल एग्जाम होता है, जो अभी प्रोजेक्ट को उन्होंने निकाल कर ये इंटरनल एग्जाम रखा हुआ है, उसमें ये पूछा जा सकता है, ठीक है। सो देन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज J, that is arrange in proper order. Arrange in proper order. So let's see how it is. Arrange, that is the question number 1 only, but J part of it. Okay, they have given you in the sequence, children, and here you are supposed to write in what sequence it comes. They have given you in the jumbled words. So the first one is forfeiture of shares, calls on shares, allotment of shares. But how it goes, how you can arrange, the first one is allotment of shares. I have already numbered them, students, you can see on the screen, है ना? Second is again calls on shares, and third is forfeiture. So this sequence is from, you know, the lower level to higher level wala hai. Second is share certificate, allotment letter, application form. Again, first it will start with application form, then allotment letter, and then share certificate. Third and the last one, you can see return of allotment, application form, minimum subscription. Okay, but यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा difference है definitely. The first one will be application form. Okay, second will be minimum subscription, and then third will be return of allotment. So this is how you are supposed to write the sequence. You have to arrange in the proper order. बहुत ही simple है. If you know the entire procedure about the calls and everything, and you can easily tackle these types of question. तो ये हो गए हमारे again objective type questions. Okay, from F to I, J. Okay, I have already solved them. So that's it in this video, children. I hope this video will really help you in revising these types of questions, and you will be perfect. I mean to say, you will be perfectly thorough with all these types of questions, and you can score good marks as well. So in the next video, I will be solving the remaining questions. Question number 2 से शुरुआत करेंगे. So that's it in this video. If this video have really helped you, children, kindly like, subscribe, and share. And share because you are aware the initiative taken by the Commerce Tute YouTube channel, that it should reach maximum people and it should help them, in fact. Okay, so on that very good note, thank you so much, children. Thank you.